Well, hello everyone and welcome back to the Theme Park Obsession video. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. Today I'm hanging out at Universal Studios because I wanted to check out the fireworks spectacular this evening for the 4th of July celebration. And of course we're going to cruise around the park and have some fun. So how about you and I dive right in. Back at Universal Studios for the holiday weekend. It's a nice little breeze going on. I've arrived later on in the afternoon, so it's not as hot and brutal, which is nice. But let's head over to the Curious George lot because I wanted to talk about something a little different other than the Halloween Horror Nights haunted houses being built over there. I've been keeping an eye on this particular project and I haven't really mentioned it too much on the previous Universal update videos, but today we're going to talk about it. And that is this giant set that's being built down here by the Fast and the Furious tram segment. And it's from the movie Nope, Jordan Peele's newest thriller / horror movie that's gonna be coming out this July. So at the time of filming this, just a few more weeks away. Now I'm assuming that this particular set plays a big role in the film because in all the trailers that we've seen for Nope, we see this little western town which is called Jupiter's Claim. And over the course of a few months, they've been building this permanent structure. This is not something that's temporary like a Halloween Horror Nights haunted house or a set piece. This is something that is probably going to be here for quite some time, just judging by the level of detail and construction materials that they've been using. You can also see on some of the backs of the buildings that a lot of electrical has been installed. So a lot of people are thinking, myself included, that this will be part of the studio tour all the time, not just during Halloween, because that would be kind of interesting if they spent all this money on building a town like this from the movie to only have it up for the haunt season. I think this is going to be a permanent addition to the studio tour or for a VIP experience. On Jordan Peele's Twitter account, he revealed the website that you can visit right now, actually. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below in the description. On the website, it has little mini games and it shows you what's available at Jupiter's Claim, because Jupiter's Claim in the movie is some sort of theme park, amusement, entertainment area that was built. And it's very clear in the trailers of the film that it is a very prominent part of the movie and the storyline. So again, very interested to see how this is incorporated with the normal studio tour or a VIP experience, because again, I don't think this is just a temporary thing. This is a permanent structure. I mean, look at all of the detail. When you zoom in, just kind of look around, and they've really dolled this up. I mean, it looks fantastic. I am very excited for the new movie. Again, it comes out this July. The time of filming that's just a few weeks away, so I'm really stoked. I do like some of Jordan Peele's films. I did like the movie Us, so I'm very intrigued with this one because, yeah, I love a good alien movie. And it's been a long time since we've had a really good, scary alien movie. So fingers crossed that this one is good. And I hope so too, because they built this permanent install for the movie. So I hope the movie is a good one. Now, will they use this for Halloween Horror Nights? Maybe. That could be an option. That could be one of the surprises that they announced for the lineup for this year's event. But I'm leaning more towards that this is something for the daytime guests. But again, everything is possible when it comes to these kind of things. And it wouldn't really surprise me all that much if they wanted to incorporate it in maybe a VIP experience for Halloween Horror Nights or a part of the Terror Tram. Go ahead and comment down below. What do you think they're gonna do with that Nope set? Do you think they're gonna use it for Horror Nights, or do you think they're gonna just use it for the day? Since I'm walking through City Walk, I might as well mention that Skechers has packed up and moved. And in another interesting development, Starbucks is moving into the Karl Strauss location. We've made it in the park, and upon entering, yeah, they have a few little 4th of July decorations with Woody Woodpecker kind of scattered throughout the front entrance and along the front entryway here inside the park, so that's nice. Yeah, not too bad in the park right now. In a little bit, I'm gonna meet up with my friend Sarah, and later on this evening, yeah, we're gonna find a spot to watch some fireworks. Now, the Universal Plaza should be a viewing section for fireworks. Yeah, they've even removed the giant minion in the center here, so yeah, they're probably using this for later on this evening. And remember, the special effects show has made a comeback here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Maybe we should jump inside to take a look. Yeah, and they got this photo op out here, so even you could audition the special effects show, because look, they're now casting. Yeah, I haven't been in here in a long time, so this is gonna be kind of neat. The special effects show was a lot of fun, and I'm glad that they brought it back for the summer. I think the park really needed another show for people to watch. And with this particular show, the special effects show is one of those moments that really does show Universal Studios. That's why people come here. They want to experience the movie magic. They want to see Hollywood. So when you see the special effects show, you get like a nice little behind the scenes look at how they do some of the coolest practical effects in movies. Now later on this evening, this is where we're gonna watch fireworks, because down in the lower lot is a very good spot to watch them, because they shoot the fireworks off the top of the Transformers building. So in the future, you're gonna watch a fireworks show either for 4th of July or any other special event they're doing here at Universal, head down to the lower lot and check them out down here. And since I'm down here in the lower lot, I might as well mention that they've just installed a new snack cart in front of the studio store. All right, now that I've made it back up to the upper lot, I'm gonna head out, meet up with my friend Sarah, and then we're gonna jump back in the park because we'll get to enjoy an evening show of Waterworld. And if you've never seen Waterworld during the evening, I highly recommend it. And of course, after that, enjoy the fireworks show. And here we go, we've made it into the park, and we're gonna go right to Waterworld to view the last showing of the evening. I'm hanging out with my best friend Sarah. You've seen her in some of the videos. The last video you were in was the Emperor dive coaster video.
Yes.
That was a lot of fun. So yeah, tonight we're just gonna be chilling at the park, enjoying the festivities this evening. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy Waterworld first. Alrighty, Sarah and I have secured a fabulous seat right in the center section. Yeah, we're gonna get a really good view of the show. Last show of the evening. So it's gonna look really cool with all the fire effects and everything since the sun is starting to set.
It's our pre-fireworks
Yeah, it's
show.
the pre. Yeah, exactly. We get 2 shows for the price of 1.
If you're sitting in these seats, you're like, am I really gonna get wet? Ask that dude. Cover it now! Kind? Well, I don't think he has a kind. No, it's Filet the Flounder! Oh, we got a runner!
We've made it out of Waterworld. So good. Isn't Waterworld in the evening, Sarah, like absolutely beautiful in the evening?
It's one of the best things, honestly.
Yeah.
The explosions look amazing.
Yeah. that is going to do it for today's video from Universal Studios Hollywood. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel and you love these videos from Universal and Disney and a bunch of other theme parks, consider subscribing because I have brand new videos every single week and you won't want to miss out on those. I have an Instagram account. I'll leave that link down below in the description, as well as a huge shout out to my Patreon members. You guys are absolutely amazing. But until the next visit to Universal, I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, evening, whatever it is. And I'll see you next time in the parks. Bye.